Hey everyone, it's Brooke and
Hockey!
And we are here to do an unboxing of the baby box from Reima. We're so excited for our little boy to be born in October, and this is one of the first things that we got for him. So we've heard a lot about the baby box and the heritage and history behind it in Scandinavian countries, and the idea is it's supposed to have a lot of the essentials that you need for a brand new baby. We're very excited to learn more about it and to incorporate these pieces that are gender neutral, bright, happy, cheerful, and useful. So here we go. One of the first things is this cute Lumen book. So this is something we can read to the baby and also to the kids. It is adorable. This sweater is just something I fell in love with. It's gender neutral. I think it looks so cute on our little boy. It's this high quality knit. This will be a great layering piece. And one thing I've learned about newborns and infants is that these really work year round. Of course, swaddles. This is like a nice muslin, a very cute print. Again, graphic, bright, gender neutral. Something I know we'll use right as soon as we're in the hospital. These are great. You can't get enough onesies, and it has the cute Lumen characters. Isn't that cute, Huck? Another thing is more of a heavyweight blanket. This is something that'll be good for just keeping the baby warm. You know, when he's in the stroller, we're pushing around. It has a really fun graphic print, and it's adorable, two-sided. So there's polka dots on one side and the Lumens on the other. This is adorable. It's like a little romper or jumper to wear around. And yeah, Huck just pointed out, it's reversible. So we can have this black and white graphic on the one side, or if we want to put it inside out. Look! So it's like a double outfit. So it's two outfits in one. Another onesie. You can't get enough of those. That's adorable. Adorable. Oh, how sweet. This will be perfect for just these nice layering pieces. It's kind of stretchy. This will be perfect for just warm layering when we're hiking. So this is like a sleep gown. So babies, when they sleep, you know, it's good to have this access to unbutton and quickly change a diaper. Huck, you're going to hear me changing diapers a lot in the middle of the night soon. Oh, can you believe the baby's feet will be this tiny? Look how cute. Some good little socks. Here's some little leggings. Can't get enough of those, especially to go with the onesies.
Oh, this is nice.
Oh, ooh, Huck says this is so soft. This is like the softest material. Oh, you know what? We have a little bib, reversible.
And another little bib that's
good for reflux and all that stuff that will be coming up soon.
Baby hat's a baby hat. Reversible baby
Hold it up to see. So this is newborn size, so this will be perfect. We'll probably start wearing this in the hospital. It'll probably be one of the first things he puts on his head when he comes out.
It's reversible.
These are perfect. We can't get enough of these. It's
underwear.
It's like the material of Huck's ski underwear. I love it. Reima has these ski layering pieces that are perfect. They're kind of like a base layer that are super breathable, wicking, moisture wicking. All my kids have this, so I'm glad to have one for the baby too. Another pair of leggings, super important, cute, and just another good piece of layout for hanging around at home. And oh, look how sweet it is. Cute. So we're so excited for all the things. That's one thing we love, to be active and involve our infants and our newborns as soon as they come. So thank you, Reima. We're excited about our baby box. This is a perfect gift if you have a parent who's expecting. We're excited to meet our baby soon.